I better find your loving.
Guys, we're going to try this restaurant tonight. It's TIKITAIL. We're dark. We're dark, man. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight it's a night vlog type of vibe. Today is Johnny's birthday. Put down in the comment section which my nice mother-in-law happy birthday. Young girl, you know, wish the young girl happy birthday. Alright guys, if you're new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Where's Odin? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So tonight we're actually at TIKITAIL. We did want to come earlier, but rain did have fall and we just had the plan kind of late still. We just had the plan kind of late. Is it far down? No. So we park. You can park out here and shuttle carry you down. So we're actually waiting on the shuttle to come. So yeah, that's what's up. That's another go where the whole vibe is. The whole area, I'll show you guys, but that's what's up. Boo! Come to the vlog. Come to the vlog. Come to the vlog. Where? Wait down there? Alright, so don't call it no what? Okay, babe. Okay, boo. Alright, boo. Alright. What me always call her boo? So, watch out. Where yourself? Alright, guys. So let's wait on the bus. What is it? Guys, we are down here. That's the sign. Alright, Jenny's wants her picture. So we're going to take Jenny's photo. Okay? Guys, we got the menu. We're outside. There's no light. They said they would have got lamps, but there's no lamp. No lamp. Look how Jenny's menu dark. Okay. And when we put the light over the Jenny, see all I do like this. This is crazy. Man, I should tell must use the flash pan with phone. And I think what kind of it is there? That's the first down for here. I don't really like the ambience either. Yeah. The food better taste good, okay? It better taste, right, Johnny?
Yes, because if you not taste good, the one next, no, that again.
Oh no, tell me something have to pay. Oh, look which one I have to put my lights, eh? And my light I give the wall. Look how bright up the wall table. Watch there, eh? No light there now, but the lamp there, the lamp there. Then they plan for the body out of the wall, eh? Carelessness. They have to pay me for my light. They have to pay me for my light.
Staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you always on my mind. Come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when I something now is taking over.
Guys, this is their bathroom. Their bathroom, they have like a shell water thing. Let's try it. Oh, the water comes out of the shell like that. That's cute. Nice. Not my type of vibe, but it's different. Yeah, and they have standing mirror. The mirror one shine though. But yeah. What I'm wearing, I feel like the card didn't tie properly, you know.
Oh.
Look like me did have two piece of card. Right up front. But I did the part of tie good. Because here I'll have float. Just one jeans pants, the belt from Shein, slippers, and the Jenny's come on my video. And natural ear vibe, and the blouse, and my bag. The phone quality not look bad at all. Bathroom. Yeah, bathroom. Mom, Pedro.
Speed, want to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window. Trying to stop for a sign. The reason why.
I don't know how you guys rave about TIKITAIL, but it is 3 out of 10. It is 3 out of 10. And now we not get one meal them.
Not even 2.
Not even one meal.
Right.
We only got our 3 appetizers after not cancelling, after coming back and forth, telling that then I have this, we'll put you on next to that. Then I have this, we'll put we got here after 7, it's now after 9, and we just got the appetizer.
You have to leave the food.
When we thought that the meal was coming right behind the appetizer after waiting for 2, we wait like 2 hours. The man will come tell us that they don't have the thing for putting in the meal, in the main course. What? The sushi was 3. Only the spring roll alone tastes good. Can I go to your sir?
Yeah, go on the front.
They have. What else I say, man? No, sir. We never finished that because the shuttle did come pick we up. The sushi is a 3 out of 10. Only the spring roll. The spring roll is nice. Not your good. Yeah, hot and nice. Like a 8. A 8. I don't give a 8. Like a 7. A 8. You can't give them an 8.
Yeah.
The wings.
Hot and nice.
Yeah. Hot and. I'm going to show you hungry. You know, so you're hungry and things it tastes different. Not sure. It was so bad. And then the barbecue wings, they need to go back to school to know how to make a barbecue sauce.
That was a disaster.
A disaster. We're not eating a meal. We came here hungry, thinking that without getting a chance to full of belly. Me, not true. I was able to eat 1 spring roll, 2 liquor wings, 1 orange juice, and here one. 2 all along. We have the orange. We get orange juice. The man know if I do. You give me drinks, make it go and look like we get with me. Because when I got there, yeah, me asked the man, me say, we're going to get for hungry or we'll get the food. He smiled for him and said, where you get it, man? And you who never get the orange juice, how would I get for hungry? Jesus, please, people. Well, the gentleman just explained to us and said they aren't always like that, but today, tonight, right now, the whole experience is at 2 out of 10. Very bad. So now it's like a KFC line we have to go drive. It's serious, like, yeah. Poor experience, man. As mentioned, we said we were coming to KFC, and that's the decision we made. We're at KFC. I don't get nothing out of TIKITAIL. So we had to come to KFC. We had to come to KFC and Pizza Hut. Let me know, please. Two chicken box. Okay. Yeah, man. Disaster. I got a veggie wrap. I'm just now gonna feel okay eating the chicken at this. So, what call it, Johnny? Is I'm gonna buy my belt. May I lick the dog?
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home.
Guys, we're in Ocheria's. Today's ship day. Do you guys see the ship? See the ship over there? So I see it. Today's ship day. So I know my brother is out and working. If he got clients from off the ship today. But we're in Ocheria's just to do a quick look at errands. Yeah, the lights are green, so don't keep up the traffic. Let me catch the green light, please. Let me catch the green light. Watch them people, man. Watch how them drive. Wanna? You know, she say like the green lady and not now come. Eh? Sure. So we're over here, Trippers Plaza. I told you could just come on. Let me grab the space. Hold on, people, cause. Alright, guys. As I was saying, today is Sunday. I didn't think I notified you guys and say that today is Sunday. I'm so inconsistent with the light. I left the light at home, but we have daytime. It's daytime. It's actually about after 10 now, but because the time is so bleaky, like rainy. See my eyes, make sure my eyes are clean. Yeah. Wash my face, I did my skincare and everything, but we're not perfect. We can't miss something, not you. I look for my lip balm. I'm actually in Ocheria's, running to the supermarket real quick to get a cake for my dad. Today is my dad's, well, no, his birthday was on Wednesday. And today is Sunday. Yeah. So I wanted to get a cake for him, so I'm gonna get a cake for him. Yeah. And I'm going to get something for my mom too as well. So we're in Ocheria's, so we're gonna go to Progressive, then we're gonna go Fontana. I'm showing them. We're gonna go Progressive, then we're gonna go Fontana. So I know that lady probably think I was recording her, but sugar, I wasn't recording you. Guys, I actually bought a car mount for the phone, but I left it at work. I left it at work because it's in the TMU box. So it's in the TMU box, so I have to try it another time or so for it. But hopefully it works. I was trying it, but I'm realizing you have on the phone case, it give a little trouble. So every time I can use it, I take off the phone case. Like that's a yeah, anyway, I have to hurry up, come father. So come for this something. And I need to be home soon. Yeah. So as I was saying to you guys that you met last, alright, me just say it last night. So last night was when we went to TIKITAIL, and TIKITAIL was a disaster. I don't know how you guys are raving over this place over TikTok. I don't know how you guys are like literally making this thing being like one of those hype places. But for one, the ambience, the surrounding of the ambience, because it has the water surrounds it, that it's a good, the property, the land is a good piece of land, but the decoration, it's not. I'll give it like a 4 out of 10. A 4 out of 10. Why the man look like this? Look here. Why the man they look so? Why them look so? Like they're going hunting. Look at this man. Look like they're going hunting. Yeah, so I was saying I'll give the ambience like a 4 out of 10. That's what I was saying. A 4 out of 10 for the ambience. Because it was not it. It was not it at all. It was not it. But I'm gonna lie though. We went order. We put in a order. Like we put in order where you expect to get appetizer and you expect to get your meals, right? And your drink. The drink came out first. Okay? The drink them come out first. So the 3 cups of orange juice came out first. And then before the man leave, I said to the man, I said, sir, are we going to have to wait a long time? Are we going to have to dead for hunger before we get the food? He smiled. And he said, no man. So the drinks them come out first, so them know what's going on. When the drinks them come out first, people, about 40 minutes after ordering, the man come and said, remember when order come up. When he came and said that, I thought the order was going to, roll in soon, roll in quick, something coming soon. Nope, nothing was coming soon. About an hour and 45 minutes in from the order till we have to be waiting. Because we got there at 7, we took Johnny's picture, it was 7:13. By the time we put the order, it was probably about 7:30. When the man come and give me that notification, it was about around 8:15, because 7:30 order, 8:15 or 8:20 there's some. Me and Johnny is go and watch myself. Hopefully we'll come back. The man must come back. There's something must be on the table to eat, because we even went hungry. So we said, alright, we'll try this place. We hear say this and this and that. So, after that, guys, then literally the when I checked the time, it was now 8:45. 8:45 or 8:50 something. Somewhere there there's some. It's when I checked the time and we still not get no meal none at all, no appetizer, nothing. So we are like, no man. So we call the man. And Johnny said, listen to me, sir. The orange juice, they melt out. And we can't drink and not for eat, because we just go fill up a belly of liquid and that can't work. So he said, I want to serve, man. Then, when he finally came with the appetizer, it was after 9. What we said, we put in the order from 7:30. You hear me, sir? 7:30. When he came with the appetizer, it was after 9. I'm not exaggerate, because I just we check the clock. Because when you have to wait so long, we check the clock. Then after that, he gave us appetizer. The spring rolls, a good 8 out of 10. As Babe said last night, and I like it make a difference to them. Everything else, them barbecue sauce, they make you find scratch, but it was too tangy. It wasn't it. It never did that. Never barbecue none at all. It was just too tangy. So it's like and then my brother just show my check cover now. And then after that, we get the appetizer. Like where I say, we're watching man. I say, alright, soon the man must have come with the meal soon. People, about 9:30 or 9:35, the man come. Me see the man a come. So me glimpse him and me say, see man a come, then now look like him a come with the, The man was coming with his, we call a book there, the book or whatever that he takes the order in. When me see the man with the book, me turn to Odion and me say, Odion, you know that the man not have something right, because from we put in the order, they've been cancelling things. They've been saying they don't have this, they don't have that. Every minute he might come back and forth. So when I saw the man coming with the book, I said to Mr. Odin, You know what I mean? Them don't have no something for the main course. We ordered taki bowl. That's like probably supposed to be similar like the poke bowl from Oceana. The man said they don't have no chicken. Johnny's don't eat seafood. So I said, sir, after we sitting for over 2 hours and so you're just coming to tell us that you don't have any chicken for the bowl? They only have shrimp. Or they need other fish and chips. His order was going to be coming, right? But then just get to other people. So I said, sir, she don't want no jerk chicken. And they had jerk chicken. They have huli chicken. That's what Johnny's wanted. They never have no huli. So Jason, they only have jerk chicken. Johnny said she don't want no jerk chicken. She eat that all the time. She want to try what new, the name new. We never see huli chicken before. So she want to try huli chicken. She don't want jerk chicken we can buy from the roadside. Anyhow, yeah. So after that, the man said, alright, what no wants? Mr. Sir, you know the question is how long we're going to have to be. How much longer we have to gonna wait for the main course to come, because you're just coming to tell us after waiting 2 hours that you don't have something for the main course meal. It's a plate them a plate it, man. A plate them a plate it. So I say plate them a plate it and you don't have chicken and you don't know what we want instead of the chicken. So how I plate them if I plate it? Or then say Tash, you know what? The man cannot plate the thing because they don't know what we want for me and Chris. So they cannot be plating nothing. He's just telling that because he don't want to leave. We say no, so I left, we go left though. He said, alright, we say alright, go check out something. They said him go check out something. When we did that, and the man did about 10 more minutes, I was saying, babe, say look here. I said, baby, you what? Let's go grab KFC or something. And so we audience said, you know what, I'm not telling none about that, but even we upon him to come. Audience went up there. What we got was $5,000 for the sushi, for the 4 spring roll, and the 6. It's a 5-piece of barbecue wings. We end up getting 6. Come out, they know what I go on. So I think we're extra. I did say 5 we I get. We got paid him, and at the end of the day, we know it's not the server's fault, it's the place's fault. And the service is too bad. And for people raving about a place, the place does not deserve nothing but a 5 for the ambience because the little water bring it up. But the decor, all this, the shell and the, I don't like the shell and the pots for the pipe. I'm a modern type of girl, modern type of decor type of people. So yeah, and we still tipped him because he was his personality was nice. It just wasn't his fault. It was just the entire business having a bad service going on. So TIKITAIL for me. But for you, you gotta know. If you want to go check it out. But for me, nada. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm actually gonna start one new vlog. And I'll see you guys in another vlog. Talk to you whenever that is. I'm gonna so you know. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, bye.